Hey guys, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and welcome to my channel. Today, again, we did not have a lot of really good movers. Most of them are lower floats and or with lesser volume. So what I did was I picked my top 3 list, which was X, NCR, and Roku. So before open, I look at the gappers list and check the blue ones. So these are the blue ones. That means it's above 100 million float. So, those, it means that those are good companies. So lower floats are the yellow ones like this. So I don't really like trading lower floats because you can get squeezed. Those are like low float stocks, like they call them penny stocks. So like this one, ignore this, PRVB. Nope. The next one was X. So this was my top one because it's above 100 million or above 150 million. This one, nope. And this one, NCR, was my second top in my list. And then this one, MT, I didn't like the way it moved pre-market, so I ignored it. Roku was my third, so this one and X and NCR. So this one, not really. I checked WLL. The pre-market was not really that good. IOES is low float. AZN, the pre-market was really bad. So yeah, ignore. So I had X, NCR, and Roku. And yeah, let's watch how I trade and let's enjoy. Please, I did really bad at the open, so please bear with me, but I'm gonna show you why and how I did it. So yeah, so the reason why I entered here was for 1 minute orb and take profit around this area. But the thing is, it happened too quick. I didn't have the chance to get out or take profit. But yeah, so I did few mistakes here. Let's watch. I got out, flipped my position to short because it got rejected. And I said, and added more, which is a really bad move. So I was like, should I held? But I didn't held. That's really good. That's a really good risk. Because I recognize that it's gonna squeeze up here, but I saw that there's a moving average, 200 moving average. This one, I said if this gets rejected, I'm just gonna short this one. So what happened was I re-entered long, assuming that this will break, but it didn't. So yeah, let's see what happened. So I was long here. What did I do? So I think I got out here, but because I got really scared at VWAP. But yeah, let's see what happened. So I think what happened here, I think was I paused a bit and I said, okay, what am I doing? Why did I enter a few times in just few minutes? So I did pause for a bit, for a few seconds, or like probably half a minute, and ask myself, so okay, what to do now? And I said, okay, since there's a 200 moving average and I have this line, this powerful line, see, imagine how many times it got rejected. 1, 2, and 3. Those are big wicks, and the VWAP is here. It's very easy, and it's really obvious that this one will be a short if it gets rejected at this price. So I said, okay, so if it gets rejected here again, the price goes down, level 2 descends, I'm gonna get in here around 11, which is a round number. I like getting in a round number. And see this one, that's like a big one that also can help the stock drop up to here. So if I'm going to get in here, I will take profit here. And yeah, and at least here I was having like a really small risk, and I didn't know what I was doing. So I was like, it's good that I paused and check the way how the market moves. And yeah, so yeah, let's see what happens. Yep, so it got rejected. I entered at VWAP, which was 1097. So I was few cents late. So I was supposed to get in at 11. So I don't know what happened. So the price here stops. Normally when price stops like that and pause for a second, I take profit. So I think I took half or probably 25%. Let's see. I think, yeah, I took 25% here because, you know, I want to get a bigger move here. So this was my target. So I waited patiently. So this one was a break even orders up because I didn't want to get squeezed. So 1075. Let's look if there's 1075. See, yep, you see those ones? Their orders is 1075. Now they're gone. So I got out here another 50%. So I have probably few percent left. Another one here. And I told myself, okay, if this held, I'm gonna get out. Because normally if a pre-market, oh, so this line is blue. Blue means when I draw blue, it means a pre-market low. And this is probably a daily level. When I draw red, it's a daily level. There's probably another one on top. The blue line is pre-market high. So what happens is if my trade works like that, I got off, you know, like this was my risk. This is 1-to-1. So this is considered 2-to-1. That's a really good profit. So yeah, most of the time when a stock holds the price like this, I get out more because, you know, it can get squeezed. It might squeeze again. So I think I probably took 80% of my position, so I have 20% here. So in my mind, I said, if this makes a new 1-minute candle, I'm gonna get out. But let's see what happens. So yeah, it's not breaking at all. You see big bid here, 1075. Let's see if it breaks. It didn't break. It's holding. So normally people will probably buy here. Let's see the time in sales. It's red, so it means, you know, it's kind of weak. But if you see a big green here, get out. If it makes new 1 minute, get out. Makes new 1 minute at green, get out. But it didn't. So it's good. You know, it continued, so I can probably take more profit. Oops. Yep. See? And there's volume. That's what I was expecting here. So it broke, you know, it broke, but volume was not enough. But the volume came in here around 1075, and that's why I got out. I got out really, really late, but it's fine. So I probably get out 100% here, you know, decent profit. And I said, okay, since I got out 100% completely, and, you know, it was not strong enough, there's probably a lot of sellers here. Maybe it's a good time to re-enter. Yeah, that's what I did. Or, you know, I re-entered short again for a breakout with just few cents of a stop. So I think my stop was just at the high of this candle, which is, I think, 1078. You know, because I want to get more profit out of this, because I said maybe it's still weak. Yeah, let's see what happens. So there's volume here, but it did not break the 1075. I said, okay, that's good. It's probably gonna go up more. So yeah, I have an order here to stop out at break even or probably 1077, because I was a few cents away. So I was hoping to get probably just like 10 cents and I'll be happy with just 10 cents. You know, imagine I'm only risking 2 cents here and I'm thinking of getting 10 cents. That's a really good move. So yeah. So since it wasn't moving, I was looking at the price action and time in sales, and I was looking for big orders. So I see 1070 here. I said, okay, that's good enough. So that's like probably 7 cents, but I wanted a bigger move. So I was looking for more. Yep, I see here, it did not break. Yep, it did. My order get filled. And look at that. The volume is here. It means everyone tried to get out here, probably take profit or probably buy more. We don't know. As long as there's volume, it means there's action. So what's gonna happen here most of the time is it's probably gonna hold. You see a really big move here, it's gonna hold like this. It's gonna have a really tight candle, or it's gonna squeeze. We never know. So, you know, this is the time where you want to check your time in sales. This is the time you want to look at your level 2 and look at the price action, if it's descending or ascending. And yeah, let's see. Volume is coming in. That candle is like, you know, I think I should have taken more profit here because, you know, yep, that's what I did. Because, you know, my target was just 10 cents and I was risking 2 cents. Imagine how big was the risk and reward. So I got in most of my profit here, probably 80%. And, you know, I have an order here to get out. I don't normally get out 100% most of the time because, you know, 20% can get you a really big move. It can continue and give you a big move. Oh, yep, that was done. See, risk management. What I learned again from this is risk management. So by just, you know, doing risk management in your trades, it's gonna give you a really good reward at the very end. Getting out too quick, it's fine, assuming that you have a plan. So my plan here was to, you know, to get to this level, getting in and out, but, you know, doing it for a few times was probably not a good idea. So it's good that I gave myself a few minutes to pause and, you know, learn what's happening. And yeah, so imagine how powerful the levels are. Look at that. So probably I'm gonna show you next time, you know, how to draw levels and how I do it. Because for me, I can even remove this MAs and just ignore them. Just trade with levels and level 2 and time and sales. And, you know, when trading the open, it happens too quick. You look at the price, watch it, feel the market, and I think it's just that easy. But, you know, it's just yourself. You have to fight yourself, not to be greedy, I guess. Yeah. Hope you learned something here. I'll try to improve myself every day. You know, if you guys have friends who has the same interest, share it to them. And yeah, if you have any questions, just message me on Instagram, Ryan_PDT, or, you know, comment in this video in YouTube, and I'll probably respond within a day. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye.